I'm Dan Schroeder with Mountain View Electric. I am the System Reliability Supervisor here. I oversee our vegetation management, drone program, and dispatch.
My name is Daniel Freeman. I'm the UAS Administrator for Mountain View Electric.
I'm Todd Schaefer, the Vice President of Electric Operations at Mountain View Electric Association. So we want to obviously supply safe, reliable, renewable energy to our members at the lowest cost possible. Keep their reliability as high as we can. And the market of electricity, is changing all the time. We're constantly looking for ways to, improve and keep the rates as low as we can for our members. The value of having data you can actually use instead of just store would be for Mountain View. It allows us to make real-time decisions. It keeps us current on our overhead system to look at maintenance and future needs on what we need to do with our system.
Well, before we started using UtilEyes, how we'd handle our inspections and data was I'd go out for a couple of days and then I'd easily spend probably 3 days going back through all the data, sorting it, and it was just very time consuming. We had a huge backlog that we were not getting to it. It was just taking a very long time. When I first saw the first batch come through, I can't remember the exact number that they did, but it was just like you put the photos in there and then all of a sudden, here they are on a map that you could just scroll around, zoom in, click on it. It's just like, wow, this is a huge answer to our needs. The amount of time that we're saving compared to how we used to do it it's days worth. Not just a couple hours here and there, but it's days worth. Because literally I would spend 2 to 3 days, sometimes 4 days, going through everything that I'd already done. And now I don't have to do that. I got all that time back.
Clean, organized data allows us to make real-time decisions on what kind of efforts we need to put into repairs or maintenance in the field versus a full replacement of structures. The UtilEyes platform has allowed us to increase reliability by finding problems before they're able to fail. Again, by streamlining that process, real-time data in the hands of the crews, they're able to catch things before it leads to an outage or failure.